Now you're wondering, how do you exactly set up online booking here on Square Appointments? Well, this one is going to be really easy. Well, first is first is you want to go to squareup.com, just log into your account. Now at the left side, you want to look for appointments here. Let's go open it up. And what we need to do is you want to go ahead and choose the option for online booking, and you want to go to channels. Now, under channels here, you should see an option here that says enable online booking. Now, if you don't have this enabled yet, you want to go ahead and basically click on the enable online booking here and just wait for a while. And typically, if this is the first time that you're accessing online booking, it should basically allow you to enter details like the booking site here, like the booking appointment booking site, also like class booking site here if you want to upgrade that, and also like for example your booking channels here, like for example adding your booking flow to an existing site, managing your online site here, also like if you want to connect your Instagram account and serve with Google if you want to. But what we need to do here is just fill out the desired details. Now, if you click on the option here that says edit this service display. Now, by the way, again, like what I said before, if this is the first time that you're accessing this page, typically they will ask you to provide the desired details. But let's go and just click on edit service display. And from here, you can go and just provide the following display here. Like if you want to show in categories, like for example, if you have like a visit or a singing lessons here, you can enable that. Like you also show service images here, show categories, and a lot more. Now, if you want to basically change a few things, let's, if for example your booking site here, you can click on the three dot option here, click on the edit branding, and that should allow you to edit your branding for your company or your booking site here. So in here, you should be able to create a new one. I can go and click on create new. You can add your logo, your full logo, and even the color of your site. Now you can go and click on next here and just follow the on-screen steps in order for you to set up your store. Now you can go ahead and just deactivate your business just in case if you want to deactivate this. But let's go back here. Now in here, you should also have the option to basically change or edit the location details here. If you want to edit the location of your business, if you click on the G dot option at the top right, this should allow you to disable your online booking just in case if you want to disable it again. But yeah, so in here, these are your booking channels. So for example, add your booking flow to existing site here. Just going to get started. And from here, you just need to add or get your booking flow URL here. You go and click and get URL. Add a booking button on your website. You go and click create button, or even embed the booking flow into your website. So yeah, you go and choose the appropriate one here, just in case. Now, if you want to edit the actual services here, you can go to the left side here. You want to go to items and services. Then you go to items. And in here, we want to go ahead and choose the service library. And you should see the same thing that I had before. So you have singing lessons and visit. So if you want to like edit the existing one, you could go and click on that specific service. And that should open it up. And as you can see, you have the option to change the name, description for it, the category, categorization, the price for it. So if you want to change it or have it fixed price, have the cost, the duration, and again, a lot more if you want to edit that. But if you want to add your own, you can go and click on add create service at the top right here. And you should have the same information that you need to provide. But that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.